Let me ask you something really quickly. How many times have you said, I'll deal with that later? Maybe it was your taxes, maybe it was doing your budget, or maybe it was dealing with your credit card or organizing your finances. It seems harmless at the moment, but the truth most people don't realize is that delayed financial decisions actually cost you money. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe, a licensed certified public accountant with over 15 years experience in corporate and public accounting. I have an extensive background in accounting, audit, and taxes, and I'm all about helping you take control of your money by living smarter. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. And check out the blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today, we're talking about something that affects almost every single person, whether they realize it or not, and that's delayed financial decisions. This is one of those quiet habits that don't feel dangerous in the moment, but over time, it creates stress, missed opportunities, and real financial losses. So let's break down why we do it, what it costs us, and how to fix it. First, we need to clear something up. Doing nothing is still a decision. When you avoid financial tasks, whether it's budgeting, filing taxes, or paying attention to debt, you're not staying neutral. You're choosing to delay the outcome, accept potential penalties, and let the situation grow. It just doesn't feel like the decision in the moment, but it is. And the cost shows up later. Here's the big idea: doing nothing is still a decision. When you delay something financially, you're choosing to accept whatever consequences come with that delay. Now, let's talk why this happens. Most people don't delay because they're careless. It usually comes down to emotions, and there's three big reasons. Emotion one is feeling overwhelmed. People look at their finances and think, I don't even know where to start. Emotion number two is fear. Fear of seeing the numbers, fear of making mistakes, fear of what they might find. And finally, avoidance. It feels stressful. The brain naturally pushes it off. So, instead of dealing with discomfort now, we trade it for bigger discomfort later. Most people don't delay because they're lazy, it's usually emotional. They feel overwhelmed, they're afraid of making the wrong move, or they just don't know where to start. So instead of dealing with it, they avoid it. And here's what makes it worse: there's a cycle that repeats. You avoid the task and you feel a little relieved, but the problem doesn't go away, it grows. Then the stress increases, and because it feels even worse, you avoid it again. So now you're stuck in a loop. The avoid, then relief, then stress, then avoid again. And over time, this becomes a habit pattern. And here, and here's what's happening behind the scenes. Your stress actually increases the longer you wait. The problem feels bigger, heavier, and harder to deal with. And over time, avoidance becomes your default behavior. Now, let's talk about what this actually costs you. First, the direct financial cost, which shows up in late fees, penalties, interest, and missed deadlines. But the bigger cost is what most people don't think about: the missed opportunities. When you delay financial decisions, you're often missing out on tax deductions, delaying investment decisions, delaying debt payoff strategies, or losing time you can never get back. And in finance, time is one of your most valuable assets. Delaying decisions can lead to late fees, penalties, missed tax opportunities, and more interest on debt. These are real dollars leaving your pockets just because something was put off. Here's where things really start to compound. One small delay turns into multiple problems. You don't file one thing, now you have a backlog. You ignore one bill, now interest builds. You skip one month of tracking, now you don't know where your money went. And suddenly, what was a 30-minute task becomes a 10-hour problem. This is what I call the snowball effect. One small delay turns into multiple problems. The stress builds, and instead of fixing it, people keep avoiding it, which makes everything worse. Small delays turn into big stress. And here's something important: most people already know what they should be doing. They know they should stay organized, track their expenses, file their taxes on time, and pay attention to their debt. So the issue usually isn't knowledge, it's behavior. And behavior is driven by emotions, not logic. So, how do you fix this? You don't fix it by trying to become perfect overnight. You fix it by starting small, one action at a time. Instead of saying, I need to fix everything, say, let me open my bank account today. Let me organize one document. Let me set 30 minutes a 30-minute block aside this week to review my finances. Small actions reduce stress. There's actually a pattern here. You avoid something that feels temporary relief, but the problem grows. The stress increases and you avoid it again. This cycle keeps repeating until something forces you to deal with it. The way to break this cycle isn't to fix everything at once, but to start small. One action can reduce a lot of stress. Progress, not perfection, is what matters here. And reduced stress makes it easier to take the next step. The goal is not to be perfect, the goal is to be consistent. Here's how you start: set clear deadlines, break big tasks into smaller ones, schedule time to handle your finances, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Structure removes a lot of the overwhelming. So, build structure. Remember, set deadlines for yourself. Break bigger tasks into small steps. Schedule time weekly to check your finances and ask for help when needed. This isn't about one time fixes, it's about building habits. When you create a routine and stay consistent, you prevent these problems from happening in the first place. Structure removes emotional weight. And when the emotional weight goes down, action becomes easier. The biggest change is your mindset. Instead of saying, I'll do it later, train yourself to say, I'll handle it now. That shift alone can change your entire financial situation overnight. At the end of the day, delayed financial decisions always comes with a cost. Sometimes it's money, sometimes it's stress, sometimes it's missed opportunities. But the common theme is this: the longer you wait, the more expensive it gets. So the goal isn't to do everything at once, it's to stop avoiding the things that matter. At the end of the day, delaying financial decisions always has a cost. The sooner you act, the better the outcome will be, because progress starts the moment you take action. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more personal financial guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week where we break down how to avoid payday loans.